Quack car wash. This is how we do it in Desert Hot Springs. Quick Quack car wash. Neutral. Thank you. Bye. Okay, you ready? Woo! Is your windows closed? Yes. Wow, look at that. This is the best wash ever, isn't it? This is called the Lucky Duck. Because we're lucky ducks! Oh my god, we're lucky ducks! We're a lucky duck! We're a lucky duck! And look, when you come up, Quick Quack car wash, you get this. This is called a dash wipe. For your dashboard. It could be for your steering wheel. It could be for
wheels,
door handles. Not the wheels, not the windows.
Oh.
That's what you do. You open it up like this. And then you wipe down things. Like that. Oh, here comes the other roller. This is the spot-free rinse cycle coming out. We're going to go pick up Grandpa. Take him to our apartment, check it out, see how nice it is, and how big it is, how we upgraded.
Can't talk now.
Talk as much as you want, daughter.
Make sure you subscribe to this video. And how many subscribers do you want?
Huh?
How many subscribers do you want?
Okay, I don't know.
We're gonna go with 10K subscribers, and make sure you click the thing down the subscription and subscribe today. Come to Quick Quack car wash today.
Woo! Bye, Quackles! Now we pull up over here, and then this is where we do our drying off the car. Okay.
We have a lot of people.
Yep, this is the vacuums. Okay. We have to use only every other one because of the coronavirus.
Because if you get the corona, you go to heaven. Whooping.
This is Quick Quack car wash, right? Getting it all cleaned up for Grandpa. Although he will find something to complain about. It's fine. That's how parents are.
Should we end it
Criticism
here?
can be a positive thing in a way.
See the
Okay, now
street.
you can stop streaming now.
Alright, bye guys. Subscribe.
Bye.